Hello, little chefs. Welcome to our veggie adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about a super cool vegetable onions. Meet Ollie the Onion. Ollie is round, has a papery skin, and comes in many colors like white, yellow, and red. Can you guess what makes Ollie so special? Let's find out. Did you know? Onions can make you cry because they have a special gas that tickles your eyes. But don't worry, they also make your food super tasty. Onions are used in lots of dishes like soups, stews, and even burgers. One day, Ollie decided to go on an adventure in the kitchen. He saw lots of other vegetables and met Chef Carla. Chef Carla was chopping vegetables for a big family dinner. Ollie said, "Hi, Chef Carla. Can I help?" Chef Carla smiled and said, "Of course. Let's make a delicious onion soup together." Now, let's learn how to make a yummy onion soup, just like Chef Carla. You'll need 1 onion, 2 cups of vegetable broth, a little butter. First, peel and chop the onion. Ask a grown-up for help. Heat the butter in a pot, then add the onion and cook until it's soft. Pour in the vegetable broth and let it simmer. Yum! Your onion soup is ready to enjoy.